I'm Ernie the Cable Guy. Is that what you already want to hear? I am the real Ernie the Cable Guy. And I'd like to introduce you to our constant wattage snow melt cable and mats today. To begin with, we offer the snow melt cable at 12 watts per lineal foot. It comes in 208, 240, and 480 volt versions. The cable is used in concrete or under pavers or under asphalt, depending on what your application is. It's meant for use in driveways, sidewalks, ramps, stairways, whatever you need to keep ice-free during the winter. Our snow melt cable comes in two different versions. We offer it in reels, so it can be put in at 3 and 4 inch spacing. At 3 inch spacing, it gives you 50 watts per square foot at 12 watts per lineal foot again. And in the mats at 3 inch, same thing, gives you 50 watts a foot, square foot. If you want, you can, in not as cold a climates, you can use 4 inch spacing, which gives you 36 watts per square foot, both in the reel and in the mat. Here's an example of our snow melt mat. This is a 3 inch spacing, which gives you the 50 watts per square foot. It comes in 3 different versions. It comes in 24 inch wide, 30 inch wide, and 36 inch wide. You would then tie this product to the rebar in the concrete as the same as you would do with the cable. You would tie that to the rebar before you pour the concrete. It's tough. It's very tough cable, so I wouldn't worry too much about hurting it, although you do want to make sure that you ohms check the cable before, during, and after the installation, so that you make sure you haven't got a defect or a cut in the cable. Because you cannot cut and you cannot overlap constant wattage cable or it will burn out. So that's an important thing to remember. Both cable and mat come with a 20-foot cold lead, which then you run to the power source. There are several different versions of controllers that we use, and I'll talk to you about that in a future video. You have to call us, give us the dimensions of your project, and we will fit the cable or the mat to match your project. The biggest problem we have is with the amount of amperage it requires to run a snow melt system. At 12 watts and 240 volts, it consumes a lot of amps. So it's not uncommon to have something take, 60, 100 amps. So send us your plans and we'll see if we can do it for you. We have a full staff here that can put the system together for you using different controllers. We have one that sequences through called the Pyro Box. We have others that have just 30 amp contactors or 2 30 amp contactors. So we can pretty much meet your needs for whatever you require. Both of our SC SCM mats have a 10-year warranty, limited warranty. If this is installed properly, it should last for years and years and years. There's no reason. It's going to go in concrete or under asphalt, so you shouldn't have an issue, or under pavers. So you should never have an issue unless for some reason there's a catastrophic earthquake or something that it splits it apart. It's rugged, it's tough. As you'll see from the diagram that we're going to put up on the screen here, it shows you how it's manufactured. Yes, I am the real Ernie, the Cable Guy. Thanks for watching this short video about our constant wattage cables. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can learn more. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to call Ken.